Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, it's very morning. It's morning for me. It's morning, it's morning. It's very early. Okay, so have y'all heard the news? Have y'all heard the news this morning? I just got it. I just got the tea. I just got the tea. Universal Unleashed. Set to launch August 14th. I cannot wait. Tickets are already up for purchase. So they have like three tiers. What is it? $69.99, and you're only going to be able to go around through the maze once, it looks like. The second one, if you're a Las Vegas resident, that ticket purchase is $59.99. And then I guess it's like the unlimited one where you can just go through the mazes as many times as you want. Quote me if I'm wrong. That ticket is $99.99. So yes, it is set, it is out, and now we can it's a waiting game now. So everything is set for August. I cannot wait. Now, I'm not sure if I will go during the launch date. I may just wait till Halloween or something. I haven't quite decided. I still have a long time to decide, rather if I'm going to go on opening date or wait till Halloween. For me, I feel like it would be more exciting if I wait till Halloween. But I also want to be there for the actual launch date because us YouTubers are going to be there. We're going to be excited about the launch date and all the perks. So yeah, that's the biggest things I need to decide on when exactly I'm going to go. Launch date or wait till Halloween. So yes. So right now, I'm in the loft, as you can see. I forgot to bring my cleaning supplies so that I could clean that floor area from the TV being mounted. Yes, I know. I know. I haven't gotten around to it yet. So, but for right now, I'm going to situate the books. Maybe I could get my bestie to bring me up something to clean this area. But for right now, we're going to do the books. So right now, I have the books in here. And this, to me, is not all that accommodable. Whereas I want there to be visibility, okay? I don't want you to have to go in and, like, search for everything. Like, okay, well, what's in here? I want it to be out and visible. So I'm transferring the books from here over into a different one. And this will be pretty much up here in the loft. Actually, it fits perfect because I could just slide it underneath the TV. I need to clean that area though. So, and then I have another one that I actually just bought from Lowe's, a little crate box. But I thought I was actually going to put that up here. But I see that the little drawer, little fabric drawer thing is actually better for up here because it's not too tall. And yeah, I might be able to fit some more paperbacks up in here. So those books that I was showing you guys before, that's what I'm putting in here right now. Like air rice. We'll put that over here. And it looks like I have room for a few more okay. So this is, right now, this is what it looks like. So, and then I'm just going to pretty much slide it over here. And then it'll be right there. Hopefully it doesn't take up too much room once I put the bed up here. Otherwise, I'll have to figure out something else. Hopefully I don't have to. And that will be fine. And then this is going to go back down. But yes, I'm excited about the launch date. That is so exciting. I was just scrolling on YouTube like I usually do in the morning and seen the video. So basically they've posted it everywhere. So YouTube, Instagram, Facebook about their launch date. So yeah, it's set. It is set. Now remember when I was out in Vegas and I did my little quick tour around the building that's still under the construction right now. And I told you guys I didn't know like when the date was going to be, and I would keep you guys posted and any information that I found out. And so now I also expressed that maybe it would be kind of like summer, possibly. That was just an assumption that that would be their launch date, because that, I think for me, I think that would be kind of setting people up for what's going to come in October. You know what I mean? Just give them a soft lunch, and then and then they'll come back. You know what I mean? So that's how I feel about that. Like, get us prepared right now so we know exactly what to expect during October. You know. So yep, that's just that, and I'm excited. I'm really really excited about the opening, and I'm glad it's going to be before Halloween. I mean, it's pretty much 2 months before, but again, at least now we know we have some information on it. So yeah, it is so bright in here. Look at, okay, so I don't know if I have to do something with this top area. It's so unsightly. I need to do something with that. So this is what it looks like up, like facing the opposite way. Now this, as you can see behind me, I'm in the loft. There's my coffin light covers. And then there's one right here. So there's actually 2 plugins up here at the top. So let's see. That's what that one looks like. And then the same thing for over there. Oops. And then, of course, the TV. So I'm in the loft. And then this is what it looks like overhead. Very, very nice ambiance, I think. And then, of course, there's the TV, playing one of my videos. But here's the chandelier that I was telling you guys about. And I think the material, because remember I was a little lost on the material. I really wanted something real. Whereas the chandelier, this is more like, kind of like I guess acrylic. I would have to look up to see what type of material. It's not plastic. I think it's more like acrylic or something on that line of material. But I mean, it's still nice. It's still nice. It still gives what I needed to give for his, Victorian haunted mansion, so on and such. It gives all of that, even though it's not, like super authentic, but it's serving its purpose. So yeah. So down here, this is what everything looks like down below. I say I am so super proud of what I have done here. And then there's a socket there. I'm not really sure what exactly I might hang up something that lights up. I'm thinking that I might hang up like a neon sign right there. I hope you guys was able to see that. Right there where the plug-in is. I'm thinking more or less that I'm going to hang up like some sort of neon sign, something that lights up. Originally, when I had that socket installed, my original plans was to mount a TV there. But when I put the chandelier in, and actually this wasn't even supposed to be a chandelier, I actually had a ceiling fan in mind, which I did purchase. I still have it. So, like I said, I was brainstorming over a lot of different things to do out here. And as time went on, ideas started coming on. I changed up a lot of stuff. I changed up a lot of stuff from its original plan. So the chandelier was actually supposed to be a ceiling fan. Over there was actually supposed to be a TV mounted, but I ended up mounting the TV here. And I also, when I thought about it, I was like, now, if I was a guest somewhere and I, was staying somewhere, how would I want to watch a TV? I don't want to watch a TV sitting down and I'm like this, putting that strain on my neck. So I'm like, that's not, I have to think of it as not only from a business perspective, but as a guest perspective as well. So I got to thinking, I'm like, sitting there watching TV like this, that's not comfortable. And that's no. So I went with mounting the TV on the side. It's not too much. It's more convenient. it swivels back and forth. I could push it up against the wall. So I made sure I got a mount that was multi-functionable. So yeah. So now that area right there where there's a plug-in, I'm thinking I might do a neon sign. I can do a lot of different things for that socket. I could use it for. So I'm just looking down below. It's not gonna go unused, trust me. But yeah, it is really nice up here when I it's crazy. So when I'm sitting here and I'm looking down at everything, so it's very pleasing to the eyes is what I mean. It's very pleasing. It really gives you the vibe like you're in some little haunted place. Very vintage. And the aesthetics is aestheticing, okay? This panel right here, I know I've showed you guys in previous videos, I have like a gap on the back there. So I have to go get another one. This one I actually painted. So with a lot of stuff, well, quite a bit of stuff here, I've actually created the shelving right there that you see the statues and stuff on. Or actually just, it was a plank. And I actually chopped up the boards because they originally, when I created the ladder, those was going to be the steps for the ladder. So everything kind of has a little bit of a story behind it in here. And I think that gives it a little bit of character, that there's a story behind, you know, every little piece, every little piece of thing in this in here. So so those shelves was actually supposed to be steps for the ladder. But as you know, I went with this. So again, alterations and changes. I decided that the ladder that was built was not, it wasn't accommodable enough, I felt like, you know. And I also wanted to create a space where the ladder itself was not going to be taking up too much space. To me, I felt like it was taking up too much space. So it had to go. It had to go. And plus it wasn't stable enough, I felt. I mean, it was heavy, bulky, or whatever. And so, you know, you could go up and down it safely, but I just felt like, I don't know, I just felt like it wasn't stable. Yeah, so it was taken out of here. And now we have this. And for as this is concerned, I feel like I need to put some handles, which I'm going to buy the handles from Amazon, or I can go to Lowe's because they have this sort of piping and stuff at Lowe's. And I'm thinking I might put a handle here on the side so that when you go down the ladder, you have something to actually hold on to, as well as handles here to hold on to. You know, I want it to be safe. I want it to be very safe. So even like for me, like I said, I don't think of it as only as the business, as the owner of this thing, but also put myself in a guest perspective to how would I like it? What convenience would I want? You know, the security and whatever, whatnot. So I do keep all of those things in mind when I'm doing my customs and making alterations and things like that. I keep all of those things in mind. So, yeah. So there'll definitely be handles here. I'll probably order them today from Amazon. So I'm gonna need exactly to see 4. I'm gonna need 4 handles. So one right here, one on the side. And I know it's not gonna be the most attractive, or you know what, it might just be okay. But the point is, safety is the most important thing. Not so much the appearance, but the safety aspect of it. And right now, there's not really anything. Let me back up. So this is where the ladder is. So as you can see, there's nothing to hold on to until you get right here, right? So I don't want somebody to have to basically secure themselves here. I need there to be a handle here and a handle here, as well as a handle here and a handle here. So I'm gonna, As I was saying, my phone cut off on me. I'm losing it memory. Anyway, so I have books down below, so I'm gonna go down right now and work on those. Okay, be back.
I have talent, but this, there is a limit to how much I can take.